Hey friends, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I will be making a very quick and easy recipe of Pomfret Fish Curry. So in hot oil, frying the pomfret fish, I've cut into pieces, marinated them with turmeric powder and salt, frying both the sides of the fish until they are light golden brown in color and crispy in texture. Once all the fishes are fried in small batches, keeping them aside in a separate plate, now it's time to make the fish curry. In the leftover oil, adding chopped onions. All the measurements are there already in the description box. Once the onion is translucent in color, it took me around 6 to 7 minutes. You can see that the onions have turned light golden brown. I will be adding some ginger and garlic paste. Now I'm going to add some dry spices. I'm adding some red chili powder and some turmeric powder, some salt as per your taste, adding some tomato, and then going to mix everything well together in low to medium flame. I'm adding little bit of water to this masala so that it does not get burnt. Also adding some fresh green chilies as per your desired spice level, and going to mix it all well together until oil starts to separate from the masala. Adding half a cup of lukewarm water and let the masala simmer for some time. Thereafter, adding all the fried fish and cooking it for 2 to 3 minutes in high flame. Covering the pan with a lid and let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes in low to medium flame. Finally, adding freshly chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. I'm turning off the flame thereafter. Isn't this simple pomfret fish curry so easy to make? This is one of my to-go recipe and amazingly tasty. So do try this recipe out and let me know how was it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to my channel Show Me's World, and see you soon with another new recipe. Bye bye.